Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to delete your images in Grok Imagine. If you've created images in Grok Imagine and want to remove them from your account, it's easy to manage and delete your saved images. You can unsave images from your favorites or remove them after using them in projects, ensuring your workspace stays organized and clutter-free. First, open the Grok website in your browser. Then, click on Imagine from the left side menu to access all your generated images. Here you will find many images. Now, click on any image. Next, go to the Favorites section beside the prompt box. Here, you will see all the images you have saved. Now, click on the heart icon next to the image to unsave it. This will remove it from your favorites. After that, you can go back and click on Make Video using the image you selected earlier. The system will start generating the video with that image. Once the process is complete, you can click on the heart icon again to unsave the image. This action will delete the image from your account entirely. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.